Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update TimescaleDB on a VPS database server, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by connecting to your VPS server via SSH. Use a terminal or command prompt for this purpose. Enter the command to establish your connection. Replace your _username and your _server _IP with your credentials. Once logged in, check the current version of TimescaleDB installed. You can do this by executing the command, select ext version from pg_extension where xname equals timescaled. Take note of the version number for reference. Before proceeding with the update, ensure your system packages are up to date. Run the command sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade y. After the package update is complete, visit the TimescaleDB releases page on GitHub. Identify the latest stable version available for download. Look for the appropriate installation package for your operating system. For Debian-based systems, you might find a .deb package. Once you have the correct package URL, download it using get. If you are using the .deb format, run sudo dpkg I downloaded _package_name.deb. This will install the latest version of TimescaleDB. After the installation, verify the installation was successful. You can check the new version with the command, select ext version from pg_extension where xname equals timescaled. Next, you'll need to restart the PostgreSQL service for changes to take effect. Execute the command, sudo system to restart PostgreSQL. To confirm that everything is functioning correctly, connect to your database. Run a few test queries to ensure the TimescaleDB extension is operational. If you encounter any issues, consult the official TimescaleDB documentation for troubleshooting advice. Lastly, consider checking for any deprecated features or changes in the new version. This ensures your setup remains compatible with your applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.